Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Septian. I am an audio only channel that deals with true wireless stereo earbuds and in-ear monitors. And today I'm reviewing the Tozo A1 true wireless earbuds, no steak sauce included. Now the price on these on Amazon, you can pick these up for $22.99. You can save an extra 10% at checkout. Now, as far as the features, you get full touch controls, including volume. You can use these individually, stereo mono mode. It comes with Bluetooth 5.0, and it supports the SBC and AAC Bluetooth codecs. A single earbud weighs only 3.7 grams. Total, that's 7.4 ounces. Actually, no. Did I get that right? 7.4 grams, my bad. Got a small, lightweight design, very small. Matter of fact, here is my big unboxing knife. Look at that. About the same size. Here's a Bic. There. Look how tiny these things are. These also got one-step pairing. So open up the lid, take the earbuds out of the case. They'll instantly pair to the last device that you had them paired to. You get 24 hours of total playtime. You get IPX5 water resistant IP rating, and they come with a 6mm TPU peak composite diaphragm. So let's do an unboxing since I haven't unboxed these. Very straightforward. Take the sleeve off, the cover off. You get the design by Tozo on the front. Inside here, you get the quick start guide and the user manual. Also inside the box, you get, come on, get up in there. There. You also get the charging cable. It is USB-A, the USB Type-C. You also get some large and small silicone tips, and the medium. I got the mediums on here because I got spin fits on, and that's pretty much it that's in the box. Pretty straightforward. Now let's move on to the fit, the design, and the battery life. Like I mentioned before, these are very compact and lightweight, very small, fits easily in the fifth coin pocket of your jeans. On the back, you get the USB Type-C charging port. On the front, you get 4 LED indicator lights for the battery on the charging case. The lid is a little, it's a little loosey-goosey, but what do you expect for less than 50 bucks? Now the earbuds themselves are also very small. As you can see, I got the SpinFit CP360s. These are the small joints. They fit very snug and comfortably in the ears. I've slept in these, no discomfort. Very lightweight. It's very low profile too. Like, they won't stick out of your ears. Pretty good for, you know, working out or running on the treadmill. Good fit, really good fit, even with the stock tips. Really good fit, very snug. I like these. Very lightweight. Got matte all the way around. Got a microphone right there. I think these got 2 microphones all together. I don't see it. I don't think these have LED indicator lights on them. Oh wait a minute, no, that's the LED indicator light. Well, where the hell is the microphones at? Are they on here somewhere? But yeah, they're very lightweight, very compact, very this small, very small. Like, okay, now let's talk about the battery life on these Tozo A1 earbuds. You're getting 6 hours on a single charge with average use. In my experience, I'm getting about 5 hours because I listen to these a little louder. You're getting 24 hours with the charging case. And the charging case has a 400 milliamp battery inside. And the earbuds have a capacity of 40 milliamps. and the case provides you 3 extra recharges. So, pretty average battery life, more than enough for most people. For me, I would have liked either 8 hours or 12 on a single charge with 50 hours. I got some earbuds that actually I need to review that have those. The Tribit Flybud C1. These are my favorite out of the $50 range earbuds. I'll be reviewing these here soon. Try and get that review done by the end of this year. So back to the Tozo A1. Good battery life. Especially for like less than 25 bucks, less than 30 bucks. Really good. Just notice that the louder you listen to your music, the more the battery will decrease. Good design. Now that I talked about, just mentioned the mics, let me give you a mic test in a quiet environment. I'll be back. This is a mic test of the Tozo A1 True Wireless Earbuds in a quiet environment. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Okay, now let's move over to the touch controls of the earbuds. Now on the left and the right, a single tap is pause play and accepting calls. Double tap on the left earbud is previous track. Double tap on the right is next track. A triple tap on either the left or the right, activating the voice assistant. And a hold on the left is volume down and the reject calls. And a hold on the right is volume up. So just notice if you do use these independently, you're not going to have the previous track if you use the right, and you're not going to have the next track if you use the left. But you'll still be able to answer calls if somebody calls you. And also, the touch controls are really responsive. I've been testing these out for the past 2 hours. These are really responsive, like touch controls. Really good for some earbuds that are less than 50 bucks. They're right around in like the $20 range. Now, as far as the sound quality goes, as far as the mid bass and the sub bass, the bass is there, but it's not as resonant. It's not like, it doesn't get as deep as like most earbuds that I've used previously go. I mean, the sub bass, it's almost non-existent. I mean, the mid bass is there, but it's not as immersive. Now, as far as the mids go, the mids are good. The mid highs are good, and so is the treble. Very good clarity. When I test earbuds, I stick to what I like the most, which is, jazz, rap, rock. But I decided to test out pop this time around. I tested out When Doves Cry by Prince and the Revolution. Sound was really good. I also tested out Toxic remix by Britney Spears. That was also good too. And I tested out Gimme Shelter by the Rolling Stones. Now, I was listening to the woman singing towards like additional vocals. What's her name? Mary Clayton. Not Mary like Merry Christmas. They misspelled her name. It's Mary like Virgin Mary. Anyway, her vocals came through loud and clear, very crystal clear. You could actually hear her like when she's going like towards like the midway of the track. Just really good vocals. So the mids, these work with mids the best. Bass is there, but not as much as I like. I need a little more bass, as this doesn't get as deep. I mean, but you are getting detail and clarity. So I'd say you got mellow bass, a little more mids, and really good clarity in the treble. So now we're going to go into the Can I Go Deaf segment. This is something I've been doing lately because, ear health is very important to me. It should be important to everybody. You do not want to listen to music for too loud for too long. It will damage your ears in the long run. So I was listening to Busta Rhymes on Apple Music. So I'm gonna go ahead and queue up Apple Music on my Nord Core Edition, and I'm gonna turn this all the way up, and let's see how loud these things get. Okay, 109, 108, 107, 105, 106, 108. Okay, yeah, these get pretty loud. Not 110 or 115 or 120, but yeah, these get loud enough. Let me listen to it. Yeah, the bass on this track, give me some more. Yeah, it's this. Yeah, it should get deeper than that. But yeah, get pretty loud enough. That's really good. So in conclusion, if you're looking for some earbuds and you're not willing to spend like $50, $60, $70, $80, $100, go ahead and get these. Tozo's got you covered. You're getting decent sound quality, these pretty good volume, really good responsive touch controls, and they're very lightweight and compact. Good for side sleepers. Good. It's a pretty good overall, like, well-rounded pair of earbuds. So that concludes this video. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and share. And if you subscribe, make sure you click the bell icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos. Enjoy your life, enjoy your sound. I'll see you next time.